Welcome to our creative world. In today's video, we are going to explore the beauty of beautiful burlap craft, wall hanging craft, a traditional modern way to bring art, beautiful mindfulness, and warmth into your home. This craft this craft is not just about fun, it's about mindfulness, healthy activity, and very beautiful things. And it's not just about decoration, it's a journey of peace, creativity, and togetherness. Whether you are crafting journey, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more handmade decor and wellness based creative ideas. This craft is not just decoration, it's a journey of peace, creativity, and togetherness. Whether you are crafting alone or with your family, this project helps you slow down, breathe, and create something meaningful. The beautiful city of X-Mex decoration, and your home is full of decoration of X-Mex. You know, jute and burlap craft are nature's gifts to crafters. They are eco-friendly, affordable, and full of beautiful earthy texture. Their natural brown tone gives that perfect rustic farmhouse look that never goes out of style. Using these materials means you are not just decorating your home, you are also supporting a sustainable lifestyle, reducing waste, and honoring handmade decoration traditions. Let's begin by collecting a few simple supplies: jute rope or twine, burlap fabric or jute cloth, wooden sticks or rings as the hanging base, glue gun or fabric glue, scissor, beads, shells, buttons, or lace for decoration. And of course, your creativity and patience. Before you start, find a calm space, put your phone aside, take a deep breath, and let this moment be all about you and your art. Start by cutting the burlap fabric into strips or small panels. Attach each piece gently to the wooden sticks using glue or knots. Then wrap jute rope around the edges to create a natural borders. You can leave some loose rope hanging. It adds a rustic handmade charm. Now decorate, add beads, shells, or lace to make it more personal. You can create small jute flowers or tassels and attach them to the bottom for a flowering artistic effect. The goal is not perfection, it's connection. Every note and every line shows your energy and heart. Let's give this wall hanging a warm, welcoming feel. Cut a small piece of burlap and write or paint welcome, home sweet home, or joy, or welcome, or even your family name. Attach in the center of your design. Hang it near with doorway, living room, or craft corner. Wherever you want good energy to flow every time someone walks in, they will feel they love and creatively behind your handmade decor. Crafting with burlap and jute is a form of mindful therapy. The rough texture grounds you, reminding you to slow down, to feel every moment. As your hands work, your mind begins to rest. These activities lowers the stress, builds focus, and sparks joy. For children, it teaches patience and coordination. For adults, it's a way to release anxiety and find peace in small moments. When we create with our hands, our hearts naturally heal. Rustic crafts bring natural energy into your home. They make any space feel cozy, organic, and alive. You're also contributing to an eco-friendly world by reusing material and avoiding plastic decor. These crafts are affordable, creative, and even perfect for a small home business. A simple Rustic crafts being natural and into your home, they make any space feel cozy and it become a thoughtful gift. These crafts are affordable, creative, and even perfect for a small business. A small jute hanging can become a thoughtful handmade gift or an online product for your craft shop. And there you have it, your rustic burlap and jute rope wall hanging crafts. A beautiful piece that reflects your creativity, calmness, and love for handmade art. Remember, crafting isn't just about making something pretty, it's about creating movement of mindfulness and joy. If you enjoyed these relaxing DIY, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more eco-friendly, mindful craft ideas. Until next time, keep creating, stay positive, and let your art fill your home with peace and warmth. Thank you so much. Be a part of this journey. We will try to definitely upload more and more beautiful designs for you. Thank you.